Hello everyone and welcome back. I hope you're all having a super amazing day. When I post this, it'll be Friday, the Friday before Memorial Day. And this will be a collaboration between myself and Mickey is Messing with Resin for Memorial Day. All right, I'm using Bond Craftor Resin. Let's get our bubbles out. I'm gonna look at my camera in a second and make sure my lighting isn't shining right down on my mold. I'm sure it is, but hopefully not right in the middle part where I'm trying to show you how to do the center. Well, kind of close. Okay, that's a little better, I think. Okay, guys, let's see. 2 drops of Eder Art in this 21.6 grams. Get that mixed up and put it in the piping bag. But Memorial Day is a day of remembering the people who served our country and lost their lives. Sapphire Blue from Let's Resin. I'm also going to do red from Let's Resin. This is going to be a short video. Mickey will be up right after me. And I usually post on Thursdays, but since we were going to do this collaboration, I didn't want it to... I wanted to be able to have our videos together, but not interfere with my other friends that have videos going on Thursdays. So I'll be back to Thursday next week. Did you see that? I dropped the end of that right in there. I'm glad I saw it. All right. Am I going to do much more than that? Yeah, I better do a little more here. I think that's all I'm going to do. I did more than I wanted to do. I get carried away. Torch that off and I'm going to cover it up. All right, guys. Hope that does what I want it to. And I will see you guys when we put it back on this. Or if I do put it back on it, I'm just going to use that black epoxy resin. So I may not come back and show you this. I might just show you the bloom when it's done. But I'll just mix these up 1 to 1, put it on the back. And then I'll see you guys when it's done. So I will see you soon. Bye. All right, guys, are you ready to take a peek at it? So let's take a look at it. Beautiful. I think it turned out great. I love it. which I do love making blooms in this mold. I do need, see how the shine's gone or going. I could put a top coat on that and it would just make it pop. You know, top coats are amazing. But I am gonna put a tiny silver line around the outside. If I can get a tiny line. But if you're gonna be out and about this holiday weekend, be safe. You know, I do wanna say, any time is a good time to thank a veteran for their service. So thank you all who serve in the military or who have served. You know, bless you all. You know, I appreciate you all very much. You know, thank you for your service. And there's my Memorial Day bloom. I think it looks pretty good. Mickey is messing with resin. Will be up after me. So make sure you hit that link in my live chat and check her out. I also made one more, which is this one. It's just a circle bloom. I made this as an extra. I don't have a video for it, but I'll link a circle video bloom in my description if you guys want to see how I made my circle blooms. But I love them. I think they always turn out awesome. But yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a super extraordinary day and be safe this Memorial Day weekend. Bye, guys.